Welcome to the Sacred Holiday Peace Series. I'm Julia, spiritual counselor and founder of DaSpiritual Bombs, a space where ancestral wisdom meets everyday self-care rituals. This season asks a lot of us, and I created this series to help you protect what carries you through it all, your peace. Together we'll slow down, honor tradition, and reclaim calm as our birthright. So, take a deep breath. Let's walk this season with intention and grace. Hello, beautiful souls. Julia here from DaSpiritual Bombs, and today we're diving deep into a sacred topic that touches us all during the holiday season, protecting your peace. As the world around us swirls with noise, expectations, and sometimes tension, our peace becomes our most precious sanctuary. The holidays are meant to be a time of joy, connection, and love, but for many of us, they can trigger overwhelm, emotional exhaustion, and energy depletion. That's why protecting your peace isn't just a nice idea, it's an essential spiritual practice. Let's talk about some powerful tools to help you hold that boundary. Energetic cleansing, whether it's smudging, sound baths, or my personal favorite, cleansing sprays infused with herbs like sage, lavender, and eucalyptus. These sprays not only clear stagnant energy, but also reset your space and your aura. There are also protection crystals. Crystals like black tourmaline, amethyst, or clear quartz act like energetic bodyguards, absorbing negative vibes and reinforcing your shield. Spiritual baths and rituals, sacred time set aside just for you to release stress and align with peace through water, herbs, and intention. Now let's get practical. One of the easiest, most effective ways to clear your space, especially before and after social gatherings, is a DIY holiday aura shield spray. Here's a simple recipe you can make at home. Distilled water as your base, fresh or dried rose petals for love and harmony, lavender buds for calm and protection, a few drops of essential oils, eucalyptus to cleanse, sweet orange to uplift, and a whisper of vanilla for warmth. Optional, a pinch of eco-friendly glitter or mica to catch the light and remind you of your sacred sparkle. Combine these ingredients in a frosted glass spray bottle, shake gently before each use, and spray around your home, workspace, or even on your aura. Use this spray mindfully. Before guests arrive, mist your front door and main living areas to clear any heavy energy. After gatherings, spray again to cleanse residual tension. You can also carry a small bottle in your bag and use it as a personal aura mist throughout the day, especially if you feel drained or overwhelmed. There's no rule about how often. Trust your intuition and what your energy needs. Remember, tools are just part of the picture. The heart of protecting your peace is intentional self-care. That means setting clear boundaries, even if it feels uncomfortable, prioritizing rest and stillness, turning inward through meditation, journaling, or gentle movement like yoga, saying no to obligations that drain you, and yes to what fuels your soul. If you want to make this even easier, I've handcrafted a collection of cleansing sprays designed specifically for moments like these. They're infused with sacred herbs and oils to uplift, protect, and reset your space. Perfect for the holiday hustle and beyond. Find them on my website. And remember, your energy activates the magic. This holiday season, choose peace. Protect your sacred space with intention and love, and know that you deserve to show up fully, radiant, and aligned no matter what unfolds around you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your favorite way to protect your peace, and subscribe for more spiritual guidance and soulful self-care. From my heart to yours, stay luminous and grounded.